Meow. Lesson 22, Part 3. You know what has been missing from your English? Action. So far, you can describe things. A big red apple, a small black cat, a beautiful blue sky. But you cannot say what you do with them. Not yet. Today, we learn verbs, action words, words that show movement, activity, what you do. We will learn 5 super common verbs. Go, moving away. Come, moving toward. Eat, consuming food. Drink, consuming liquid. Sleep, resting. These 5 verbs, you use them every single day. Let us add action to your English. First, what is a verb? A verb is an action word. It tells us what someone or something does. Jump equals verb. Run equals verb. Think equals verb. Be equals verb. Yes, to be is a verb. Eat equals verb. Go equals verb. Formula for sentences with verbs. Subject plus verb plus object. Examples. I plus eat plus food. She plus goes plus home. They plus drink plus water. Today we focus on 5 basic verbs. First verb. Go. Go means to move away from where you are now, to leave, to travel somewhere. Repeat after me. Go. Important forms. I, you, we, they, plus go. He, she, it plus goes. Add s. Examples. I go to school. You go home. He goes to work. Notice, goes, not go. She goes to the store. We go to together. They go every day. Common phrases with go. Go home. Go to school. Go to work. Go shopping. Go away. Important note. Go usually needs where you are going. I go to the park. I go home. I go. Incomplete. Go where. Practice. Complete these sentences. I go to school, or I go home. She goes. She goes to work. They go. They go shopping. Good. You understand go. Second verb, come. Come means to move toward where you are now. The opposite of go. If someone says, come here, they want you to move toward them. Repeat after me. Come. Important forms. 1. You, we, they, plus come. He, she, it plus comes. Add s. Examples. I come home at 6 p.m. You come to my house. He comes here every day. Notice, comes. She comes from Brazil. Origin. We come together. They come late. Arrive late. Common phrases with come. Come here. Come home. Come in. Enter. Come with me. Come from. Origin. Understanding go versus come. Think of your location. Go equals away from where you are. I go to school. Come equals toward where you are. Come to my house. Practice. Please come. Please come here, or please come home. He comes. He comes every day. We come. We come together. Perfect. Third verb, eat. Eat means to consume food. Put food in your mouth. Chew, swallow. Very important action. Cats love this verb. Repeat after me. Eat. Important forms. I, you, we, they, plus eat. He, she, it, plus eats. Examples. I eat breakfast. You eat lunch. He eats dinner. Notice, eats. She eats vegetables. We eat together. They eat fish. Smart choice. Common phrases with eat. Eat breakfast, lunch, dinner. Eat food. Eat vegetables. Eat at a restaurant. Eat fast, slow. You can add adjectives and colors. I eat a big red apple. She eats a small green salad. They eat good hot food. See, your vocabulary combining. Practice. Describe what you eat. I eat rice, or I eat a big sandwich. He eats pizza. We eat dinner at 7 p.m. Delicious sentences. Fourth verb, drink. Drink means to consume liquid. Water, juice, tea, coffee. Another important daily action. Repeat after me. Drink. Important forms. I, you, we, they, plus drink. He, she, it, plus drinks. Add is. Examples. I drink water. You drink coffee. He drinks tea. Notice. Drinks. She drinks milk. We drink together. They drink juice. Common phrases with drink. Drink water. Drink coffee, tea. Drink milk. Drink juice. Drink a lot, a little. Combining with colors and adjectives. I drink cold water. She drinks hot, black coffee. They drink fresh, orange juice. Eat versus drink. Easy rule. Solid food equals eat. Apple, bread, meat. Liquid equals drink. Water, coffee, juice. What about soup? Both. I eat soup, or I drink soup. Both correct. Practice. I drink water, or I drink hot tea. She drinks coffee. We drink cold water. Great. Fifth verb, sleep. Sleep means to rest. Close your eyes. Dream. Cats are experts at this verb. I sleep 16 hours a day. Repeat after me. Sleep. Important forms. I, you, we, they plus sleep. He, she, it plus sleeps. Add is. Examples. I sleep at night. You sleep early. Go to sleep early. He sleeps late. Notice. Sleeps. She sleeps 8 hours. We sleep here. The cat sleeps all day. True. Common phrases with sleep. Sleep well. Sleep late early. Sleep at night. Sleep in a bed. Go to sleep. Time phrases with sleep. I sleep at 10 p.m. Bedtime. I sleep for 8 hours. Duration. I sleep until 7 a.m. Wake time. Practice. I sleep at night, or I sleep 8 hours. He sleeps late. The baby sleeps. Perfect. Now you know all 5 verbs. Let us review all 5 action verbs. Say them with me. Go. I go to school. Come. I come home. Eat. I eat food. Drink. I drink water. Sleep. I sleep at night. Remember the is rule. With he, she, it, add s to the verb. He goes. She comes. It eats. He drinks. She sleeps. Quick test. I will give you a subject. You add the verb. I to school. I go to school. She, coffee. She drinks coffee. He, pizza. He eats pizza. They, here. They come here. The cat, all day. The cat sleeps all day. Excellent. Now let us build complete, rich sentences using everything you have learned. Pronouns plus verbs plus adjectives plus colors plus nouns. I eat a big red apple. I, pronoun, eat, verb, a big red apple, adjectives, plus color plus noun. She drinks hot, black coffee. She, pronoun, drinks, verb, hot, black coffee, adjectives, plus color, plus noun. They go to the new White House. They, pronoun, go verb, to the new White House, place with adjectives plus color. Your turn. Create complex sentences. Use eat in a sentence with adjectives. Example, I eat fresh, green vegetables. Use drink with a color. Example, he drinks cold, white milk. Use go with a place. Example, we go to the big, old school. Use sleep with a time. Example, she sleeps 8 hours every night. Listen to yourself. You are making real, complete English sentences. Homework time. Task 1. Describe your daily routine using all 5 verbs. Example routine. I go to work at 8 a.m. I come home at 6 p.m. I eat dinner at 7 p.m. I drink water every day. I sleep at 11 p.m. Write your routine, or say it out loud. Task 2. Make 5 sentences, 1 for each verb, using adjectives and colors. Example, I go to the big, blue building. She comes from a beautiful, small town. He eats fresh, green salad. We drink cold, white milk. The cat sleeps on the soft, brown bed. Task 3. In the comments, tell us, what do you eat for breakfast? Use this format. I eat food. I drink beverage. Examples. I eat bread and eggs. I drink hot, black coffee. I eat a big, red apple. I drink cold water. I eat rice. I drink green tea. Share your breakfast in English. In Lesson 23, we learn more verbs, like, want, need, have. These verbs express desires and possessions. I like cats. Preference. I want food. Desire. I need sleep. Necessity. I have a home. Possession. More ways to express yourself. But today, you learned 5 action verbs. Go, come, eat, drink, sleep. The basics of daily life. Now your English has movement. It has action. You are not just describing things anymore. You are describing what you do. Practice these verbs everywhere. Use them in sentences. See you tomorrow. Meow.